Does this ring any bells? Unraveling Common English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and widely used English phrase, ring any bells? This idiom might sound strange at first, but it's a handy tool in everyday English conversations. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it correctly. Stay tuned to become a pro at using this phrase. Ring any bells? Is an idiom that asks if something sounds familiar or reminds someone of something. It's often used when you think the person you're talking to might have forgotten or can't quite recall something. For example, if you mention a name or a place and the other person looks confused, you might ask, "Does that ring any bells?" to see if it sparks any recognition. The phrase, ring any bells, likely comes from the idea that ringing a bell can grab attention or trigger a memory. Think of how a school bell reminds students of class times or a church bell signals the time of day. This idiom taps into that same concept, triggering a memory or a thought. Using ring any bells is quite straightforward. It's often used in casual conversation when you're trying to jog someone's memory. Here are a few examples. 1. Talking about past events. Remember our trip to Paris last year? Does that ring any bells? 2. Discussing people. I met someone named John Smith yesterday. Does that name ring any bells? 3. Referring to ideas or concepts. This theory was first proposed in the 19th century. Does that ring any bells? There are other idioms and phrases that convey a similar meaning. For example, sound familiar? This is a more direct way of asking if something reminds someone of something else. Jog your memory? This phrase is similar but implies a more active attempt to help someone remember something. So, next time you're in a conversation and want to check if something is familiar to the other person, try asking, "Does this ring any bells?" It's a great way to connect and ensure everyone's on the same page. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your English language journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content. See you in the next video.